Okay. Today marks the final day of our orientation, and Safo is online. Suleimana is also online, and others. Now, Daniel will join us as well as Collins and what do you call it? Robert. Typically, topic the web technology. Should I even call it topics? Okay, I'll call it topics. So let me save my work, control plus S, and let's see the page. Let's see the page. Let me refresh. Listen, topic for the web technology class. Do you get it? Do you get it?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we are going to follow our diagram for the web page, the home page. But we are just going through the topic and study or know how to do them. Web technology class. We're going to start with the first one, the heading. And this is how the heading looks like. You get my point? This is how the heading looks like. Ghana. Will you stop the song at your background so that we can listen in clear? Please, can you see this one? Ghana.
Amen. Yeah, I can see that.
Yes, this one is the biggest, followed by this, and that, and that, and that, and this. You get my point?
I see a bit.
Now let's look at the code. This is how the code looks like. We use H1, open and close H1. We use open and close H1. We use open and close H1 for the biggest heading. Not the largest, H1. It's good to use small letters all the time. Are we listening? So this was
why is it good to use small letters?
Or like in computing, I think characters means shouting, especially when you are online. And then, okay, so this is the code for heading. So if you want your heading, as I have done here, this one, my heading is this. I'm saying it, and I choose to use what H1. And look at the way it appears. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? This is the H1. Let me make all capital letters. That's so that is the heading. That is the what? The heading. Look at that. Topics for the web psychology class. This is what we are going to do today. We will talk about heading, bold, italic, underline, paragraph, adding picture, how to add video, and how to make a list and how to make links. If you are able to do the first 6, you are good to go. The first 6, we are good to go. All right, let me make a little change here. Okay, I think, okay, I'll bring the video to last. I prefer as, then I will save it. Oh, come on, let me see the code. I didn't bring the video. Paste. Here. Save. Did you see that? I didn't bring the video. I didn't paste. Now the video is there. I hope you know why we got the 1, 2, 3 as a list. Which type of list did we use? Sam, are you there?
Yeah.
Which type of list did we use?
Yeah. Is it the LI?
The type of list we use. You have two types of lists. The UL and then the OL. Which one did I use?
Yeah, we use the OL.
And then OL stands for ordered list. And then the
Ordered list.
and then the UL stands for unordered list. The UL stands
for unordered and ordered list.
Good. So with the OL, you're going to get your list to be in 1, 2, 3 like this. And then with the OL, that's the ordered list. Like this, okay. And then with the unordered list, you're going to get your list with bullets. And then when I'm making a list, a link.
Okay.
When I'm making links, using the UL. Now let's do them. Let's take the first one to demonstrate. Okay, I'm going to use probably welcome message. Let's say welcome. I welcome you all. So I will use my first H1. We are now learning how to make a heading. In a particular web page. There are so many headings depending on what they are doing. So as I'll be checking your screen to see what you've done. So please, you do it alongside with me. So I welcome you. Oh, okay, I can end here. I want to save my head H1. Let's see. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it?
Okay. Good. Yeah.
I just want to increase, sorry. I want to increase. Nope. Okay. I want to increase my, please, can I see your screen that you've done the right thing? Or you are following? Are you ready to share your screen?
Yeah, following. Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Okay, then let me.
Can I show my?
Yes, let me off my screen and then you can show yours. Stop sharing. Okay, let me see your screen. Share your screen.
Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay.
Can you see?
Okay. That appear.
Can you see my?
Pastor Nyakon's presentation, perfect. Oh, you've
done
it.
Yes, please.
Okay, give your topics for the web class. Give it a heading, H1. Give it H1. Let me see.
Okay.
I'm watching.
Okay.
You. Give it.
Okay. I think I have it too. I didn't close it.
Maybe that's why.
Okay, I did. Yeah, I didn't close it.
That's why.
Let me close it. Okay.
So you save changes. Control plus S. Next time, Control plus S. So okay. You can go fast.
Okay. Okay.
Refresh. It didn't work. Let's go to the code again. There's something wrong with the code. Let's go to the code. Let me see. H1. No, the one is not 1. H1. You make it I.
Okay.
It's I.
It's H1. Like okay. Okay.
Control plus S.
Okay.
Control plus S.
Sorry.
Hmm.
Control S.
Yeah, so that you can be fast.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So we are going to copy and paste. Go to the code. Go to your code. copy and paste the topic. Copy it and paste it under it. Yes, you copy it.
Yeah, topics for the web technology class.
Highlight it.
Is it this one?
Yes, highlight it, Control+C, and make sure, no, highlight all of them, all the line.
This one?
Yes, highlight all of them. Control+C, copy it, Control+C. And then start where the color is blinking and press enter. Make sure the highlight is off. Click there, click.
Where you are where the cursor is
click there.
I should
click
like this.
I didn't say right click, I said click. Like paste what is copied under the first line.
Oh, okay. I should copy it and paste it under it.
Yes. You've already copied it to all.
Yeah, I've copied it. So I should place it under.
Sure, paste. Control+V.
Okay.
Press enter.
Like this.
Press enter again. Control+V. We are going for six times. Press enter again. Control+V. Press enter. That's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, 6 times.
So change the number where you see the second one, make it 2 in that order. Now let me share my screen and move with you alongside.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Let me go to my code. Oh wow. For me, I have so many information. Okay, so mine was welcome. So I'll copy it like this, as I told you, Control+C. Then you click here. You press enter. Enter, paste, enter, paste, enter, paste, enter, paste. Then you change from this side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's up to 6. If you do the 7th one, it will not work, okay?
Why won't it work?
That's how they have programmed it. They didn't.
Okay.
That's off the 7. So I'm done. Are you also done? You started earlier.
Yeah,
You're done.
I'm done.
I'm refreshing mine.
Yeah.
So have you seen how it appears? So if you're making heading of a document or web page, you're supposed to know which one to use.
Yeah, it has appeared.
You're supposed to know which one you are going to use. Now share your screen. Let me see whether you've done a perfect work. Share your screen. Share your screen. Let me see whether you've done a perfect work.
Okay.
We are now gaining experience. The orientation period. We are gaining experience. Can't you see that? Okay.
Yeah.
Yours is also perfect. So this, for me, when I'm developing a web page, the H1 is the largest font size or heading. I will be looking for it for the name of the company. Some can choose to make the name of the company H5, H4, depending. So quickly, let's move on. Let's move on. Now let me go to my code. Any question on heading? We are done with heading.
Stop sharing.
Yes. Now, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to apply.
I can see it.
I'm going to apply paragraph to my information on my page. Have you seen it? I've highlighted all of them. I'm going to apply what? Paragraph.
Yeah.
So, number 5. We are going to deal with number 5. the information on your web page, if it is too small, you can copy and paste it 3 times to get many information. Do you get me? Okay. Now with the paragraph, I want to create 3 paragraphs for this document. I want to create 3 paragraphs for this document. So open and close tag, open and close P tag is what we use for our paragraphs. Open this open P tag.
Okay.
And then I'll bring my.
I can't see your code though.
This is my code. I've shared my screen. It will come.
Yeah.
I've written it. I apply. We are going to do paragraph. Open and close P tag is used for paragraph. Open and close P tag is used for what? Paragraph. The beginning of the
paragraph.
Yes. The beginning of the information, you need to give it open P. At the end of the sentence or the information, you give it close P. And then at the beginning too, you give it what? Open P as well. And if you want to end it here, you give it close P. The same applies to the beginning of this sentence. You give it open P. And if you want to end it here, you give it close P. You give it close P. At the beginning, you give it open P. That's open paragraph. And then at the end, you give it close paragraph. Then you save it, Ctrl+C. Are you following? Now, I'm expecting this information to be divided into divisions or halves according to my code. My code is, I think 3 or 4 paragraphs. So I'll refresh it. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 paragraphs. I applied 3 paragraphs. So my information has been divided into paragraphs. So that is how we apply paragraph. Safo, please, are you there? And when you are done, I would like to see your.
I'm there.
Are you done or you are on it?
Yeah, almost.
We assume
done.
We assume that you have information on your web page and you are decorating it, you are formatting it. That's what we are doing today. We've learned about heading, how to create a heading. We've learned about how to create a paragraph. Now let's see how to bold, italic, and underline. Then it means we are done with the first 4 or 5. Okay.
I'll finish with mine.
So I'm stopping my screen. Let me see your screen. Let me see your screen. Let me see your screen. That paragraph is nice.
I'm sharing it.
All right.
This is my paragraph.
Wow. Next time, use plenty information because you will not buy the information. You just go to MS Word, you type equal sign, RAND, open and close brackets. You press enter, you get so many information. You copy, paste in your text editor, then you can format it to be.
You said I should go to a
MS Word. Okay, open MS Word. Let's see.
A new page.
Yes, launch MS Word. Blank document. Equal sign.
I should type equal sign.
RAND.
D.
Yes.
Okay.
Open and close brackets. Press enter.
Oh, okay.
Copy the information. Ctrl+A. Control plus A. After Control plus A, you apply Control plus C. Then you come to your text editor. You paste it, and then you are good to go. Yeah, Control plus A, select all, and then Control plus C. Come to your text editor, and then you can paste it anywhere. Now don't clean this one. No. Click undo on just on Control plus
Yeah.
Click at the end of the code, and then you paste at the end. At the end of the code.
Yeah.
Then you paste Control plus V. So now refresh.
Yeah, I'll finish pasting it.
And so give it only 2 paragraphs. Where the video starts, video provide, give it a paragraph. Or let you save it and let's see your web page. Save it and let's see your web page. Scroll down, save it, Control plus C.
Yeah, this my web page. Yeah, this is my web page.
Have you added a new?
I finished saving it.
Have you saved it?
The one I copied. Yeah.
Control plus S.
The one I copied.
Okay, I didn't have to copy. Paste another one.
So it was left.
No, paste.
Yeah, the one I
paste another one for the information to be more. Paste
okay.
Yes, yes, paste another one.
Okay, I'll paste another one.
Save it, yes, save it. Control plus S. You come to the browser.
Okay. Yeah, I've got more.
Good. So give it 3 paragraphs and let's see. Give it 3 paragraphs.
3 paragraphs.
Yes.
So where it starts with video,
now
I'll use that as a paragraph.
The beginning of the sentence, video provide. Start from there.
So this will be my first paragraph.
If you bring your open P, and then somewhere, come down. Okay. Gallery, you can close it. Okay, go to the top. Anywhere at all. It's too small. Come down. It's too small. That place is too small. The information is too small. Somewhere like that.
Somewhere here.
Yeah. You close it. And then beginning of the immediate line. That save time in Word. You open paragraph. And then that place, okay. The document. Now you end it first, good, and then to make your document, you start, and then go to the last. Go to the last place, the last. Go to the last. Just end it there and save it. Control plus S. And then let's see your web page. Save it. Control plus S. Let's see your web page. Let's see your paragraph. Have you seen it? It's perfect. Now we are going to. Yes, it's perfect. Now let me share my screen and let's continue with the rest. We are going to learn.
Okay.
We are going to learn about bold, underline, and italics. This is my web page. Let me enter my code. Let me go to the top. Okay, for instance, I want the first line to be in bold. Control plus. We are going to apply the symbol bold, and we'll be applying.
I'm not seeing your code. I'm not seeing your code.
You did. Have you seen it now?
I'm not seeing your code.
I've shared my screen to come.
Hello?
Can you hear me? I think up here now.
Okay.
It will come. Okay, now, have you seen my B? Have you seen it? Yeah. Okay. Let's move on.
Okay.
Now, can you see my code now?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you seen OPP, the open B here? Have you seen it?
Yeah.
And then the
Yeah.
close B is here.
Where is your close B?
Here, this side.
Okay. Okay. Online.
Yes. Control plus S. Let's save and see what will happen to the web page. Can you see the board? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
have you seen that it is in bold?
Yes.
So that's how to bold text on the web page. Open the tag and then close the tag. Beginning of the word and then the ending of the word as it is in the code. So for instance, if I want to bold from here,
For example.
for example, yes, you can add blah 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 blah, and I want to end it here. That's it. I'll press S, then I'll refresh. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is in bold form. All right. Let's see underline. Let's see. Let me make a typical example of what we are doing. Let me use these to make example of what we are doing. There's one. There's one. No. I will not apply any. I will not apply anything because one is already bold in bold. The heading one is already. Okay. Now let me see my web page. Have you seen this ways? This ways. I want to break them. So we are going to learn
Yeah.
break. We are going to learn break alongside. I think for break we already know it. So if I save it, it will be in vertical line. I want to work on this one. So for instance, I'm applying. I want to put the first line, open B and close B, and at the end, then I will save it. Then I will refresh. Have you seen the difference? Have you seen the difference? Okay. So we're trying to bold. We're trying to bold this text. And if you look at the browser or the web page, there is it. It was perfect. That these three lines, we bold the first one. Now let's go to the second one and apply italic. Okay, I and then close I. So, okay, we got
Yeah, I'm following.
your background already. All right, let's save it and see the changes. The entire words are in italic. Now maybe you didn't see it, well let me apply this place to be the italic, all of them. Are you there? I want to use this one for the italic.
Yeah.
So probably I will go inside like this, apply my I, and all of this, I want to let them be in italic. Sorry. So I will save it and see whether the entire words will be in italic. Have you seen it? The whole of this place are in what? Italic. All this portion of the page, they are in italic. So you can just work on just a text or a word. Okay, let's apply underline to this one. To be the last thing that we do for today. Let's apply for this one, underline. So we go to the code, and then you apply.
Can I add something?
Okay. I'm listening.
Can the italics come after the P? I want to see your code.
This portion. I talk about this portion. This portion.
I want to see your code.
My code is showing. Can you see the code now? So can you see the code now?
Yeah, I can see the code.
So you are asking about this portion, the beginning. Here, this side. Am I right? This side. Am I right? You are asking.
Yeah.
How?
Yeah.
And what?
No, I was talking about where you apply the italics.
Oh, okay. It was in the middle of the document. It's here. Like
Yeah.
this portion.
And yeah, perfect.
Oh, okay.
Where you close it, yeah. I was asking, can it come after the close paragraph?
The I comes first and then P. It will work, but it will be very nice.
Okay.
You bring the P first because it's a paragraph.
Okay, so that's the one you started with. It will be nice for you to let it end.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. And another question too.
Okay.
Can you school where you started with the italics in the board, the underlined.
Okay.
After you close the underline, you brought break again. Supposing you didn't bring that break, what effect would it be? Will it have any effect?
This line will join this line.
I hope you can see what I'm showing you.
Do you want to show your screen?
Oh, okay.
Like this line will join
it will merge with the.
It will be in a one line, 2 lines, not 3 lines.
Oh, okay.
That's how you brought it there. So let's see whether the underline will work.
Okay,
if it doesn't work,
I get it.
Let's see the underline whether it will work. Okay, it worked. Here is it. So let's use this whole thing for underline for us to see whether it's working. And then we use all this for the bold. So we will see it is working. Now I'm going to make all this thing underline, all that information. Now let's go to the. Okay. I think let me this is bold. Let me take this bold off.
I think you can remove the break from. You can remove the break. It will still leave a line.
This is open bold and this is closed bold. So I'm expecting these words to be in bold form. Okay, so all these places are in bold. They are in bold because I have applied the bold command here. Sorry. From here to here, I applied the bold command. And then from here to here, I applied italic is here. So they are all in italic. Now, let me quickly apply the last one, which is the underline. Let me apply the underline here. And then I will end it here. And I will save it. Let's see the web page. Oh, they are even in bold. Let me remove the bold. Here, we have a P. This. Okay, they are not in bold. They are not. They are underlined. Let me go back there. Okay, now as you can see, these words are underlined because you apply the underline code. These words are in bold form because we apply the bold code. And this line and this line are in underline form because we apply the underline code. Well, let's see the code once again. That's it. Okay. So we will end our orientation for today. This is we did lists, ordered lists, we did heading, we did bold, we did italic, and then we did underline. This is where we bring our lesson to an end. Tomorrow we will start the full project, and tomorrow marks the first day of our web technology training. Thank you very much, and may God bless you all.